MacBook Pro M5 versus MacBook Pro M4. So let's start with the MacBook Pro M5. It is the Apple's latest base model introduced in late 2025, featuring the new M5 Apple Silicon chip built on a refined 3nm process focused on AI performance, better graphics, and a faster storage. It retains a classic 14-inch Liquid Retina XDR display, a ProMotion 120Hz refresh rate, and a professional I/O expected from the Apple Pro laptops. So for the pros, it offers noticeable performance uplift over the M4 in CPU. It also has a significant boost in on-device AI and machine learning workloads. It also offers faster SSD performance, and it has the same premium display battery life and build quality as the M4 model. The cons is though, it can be incremental upgrade over the M4, and it has the same chassis and port lineup as M4, and the larger price increases on higher storage or RAM options. Now for M4, on the other hand, was Apple's previous Generation Pro laptop with the M4 Apple Silicon chip, offering powerful performance for content creators, developers, and professionals since the release of 2024. Now for the pros, it offers a mature, capable performer for everyday and pro workflows, excellent display, battery life, and Mac OS. It typically is available at discounts or strong deals as newer models releases. It also has a good balance of CPU and GPU performance for most creative tasks. The cons is though, it has a slower CPU and GPU performance compared to the M5, and it offers a lower memory bandwidth and older GPU architecture. So overall, choose the MacBook Pro M5 if you want the newest performance improvements, stronger graphics, and better AI capabilities. And choose the MacBook Pro M4 if you're looking for excellent performance at a potentially better value. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification for more tutorial videos.